The speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate.
The worst day on Wall Street since the crash of 1987.
Leadership or offered environmentally friendly policies and technology. We see this time and time again from BlackRock. They do something that seems like they're moving in the right direction. Instead, that gun manufacturers should do more to protect the lives of the American people. So these companies about improving safety, but so far, so does its engagement with authoritarian governments. Or unknowingly, given BlackRock money, self-imposed mandates to help reduce that over time.
Releasing its numbers this morning, shares are down about 1.2%. About expectations, it's all about
around that business, but seems to be growing.
Are you curious about generating passive income through automated trading on Bybit? I've got something interesting to share, and it's completely free. Click on the link below to follow along with my trades, and you won't even need to sit in front of your computer all day. You can also take a look at my monthly trading earnings, which I'm sharing openly by clicking the link in the description. It's all about making financial gains at your own pace. Check it out.
There's been a lot of recent, significant news regarding the Shiba Inu token that you should be aware of. You should watch this if you own any SHIB tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inu. What is the most recent information regarding Shiba Inu coins, and how will it impact the market value of Shiba Inu? In this video, I'll respond to the following queries, and I'll be sharing with you all of the recently released price-boosting information regarding Shiba Inu. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. The cost of a Shiba Inu is currently about 780 units. SHIB's price has decreased by 0.4% over the past day, with $135 million changing hands during that time. At present, the token's market capitalization exceeds $4.5 billion. Though it ranks as the 19th most valued cryptocurrency, bear in mind that by the time you watch this video, these prices may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today as well. Net flows for Shiba Inu surged by 1666%. Here's the inference this week, the large holder net flows of Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency with a dog theme, increased by an astounding 1666%. The net flow of large holders into the block is determined by calculating the difference between inflows and withdrawals below the threshold to whale or large holder addresses. This helps to determine how this category of holders has changed in position. An increase in net flow that is positive could mean that inflows are more than outflows, which could be interpreted as accumulation from large holdings. Conversely, drops in significant inflows of capital could mean that positions are being sold or reduced. In this instance, a net positive accumulation by whale could be shown by a positive spike in Shiba Inu net flows. When the price drops, whales or large holders usually tend to accumulate more. SHIB was experiencing profit-taking at the time of writing, and it had dropped 2.53% to 779 units in the previous day. Shibarium. The start of a new era with the introduction of the SHIB-named service, Shibarium, the Shiba Inu Layer 2 solution, has entered a new era, signifying a turning point. The process of developing SHIBdentity starts here. A decentralized identity management system that gives people control over their online personas. The SHIB name service is provided as a component of the SHIBdentity ecosystem, offering a distinct feature: human-readable addresses. Shibarium users won't have to struggle to navigate challenging Shibarium addresses any longer, as SNS converts intricate Shibarium addresses into straightforward names. Shiba Inu's total addresses have achieved a new high. The total number of Shiba Inu addresses, that is, all addresses that have ever been generated and those that still contain SHIB, has reportedly reached a record high of 3.64 million, according to Into the Block data. We would greatly appreciate it if you could press the like button if you're still watching. It is completely free and really aids with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments regarding the Shiba Inu currency. In October, Shiba Inu burned 1.4 billion SHIB, a 37% drop. Early in 2022, the Shiba Inu burn mechanism made its premiere. The technique has been continuously reducing the amount of the widely used meme coin in circulation ever since. In October 2023, despite the SHIB community's best efforts, the project's burn rate significantly decreased. Shib's burn tracker, Shibarium, indicates that 1.46 billion tokens were burned by the project in the previous month. There were 753 transactions total that were burned. Why did the burn rate of Shiba Inu decrease in October? Shib's burn rate decreased in October in spite of certain price increases in September. It's possible that less activity occurred on the network, resulting in lower fees and fewer burns. Furthermore, it's also feasible that October saw reduced whale movement, which might have contributed to a drop in burns. In addition, over the past few months, Shiba Inu's burn rate has significantly decreased. With the exception of the odd spike, the burn rate has rarely reached 3 figures. Shib's burn rates had previously reached even 4-digit figures. However, the Shiba Inu team is developing a novel burn process that is said to be able to burn trillions of tokens annually. We are unsure about the new burn mechanism's operation and potential launch date, though. The asset's price might rise if the new burn process is able to eliminate trillions of Shib tokens annually, causing a sharp decline in the supply. On Shibarium, other projects are also being developed. In case you were unaware, the fees collected from these projects will be used to burn Shib tokens. Thus, in the long run, more projects will be constructed, and the Shib burning may snowball. But stay tuned as we uncover more information about the Shiba Inu coin and how it could impact the project's worth both now and down the road. SBI VC Trading uses a special birthday marketing to pique the interest of SHIB and Doji. Rewards for Doji, SHIB, and celebratory tokens, the banking behemoth SBI Group, which is also a key partner of Ripple, created SBI VC Trade, which has now released an interesting campaign. A present of 1% of the contract amount is given to traders who complete orders worth more over 50,000 yen. This is not just a marketing ploy, it's also a joyous tribute to Kabasu, the Shiba Inu puppy that made headlines when he was featured as the face of Doji coins and Shiba Inu tokens on his birthday. Developer commentary and whale motions, the cryptocurrency community noticed an unidentified whale moving incredible 4.04 trillion SHIB tokens in tandem with these burns. This transaction, which is estimated to be worth over $33 million, is a part of a string of substantial SHIB moves, which shows how widely used and active the meme coin is. Under the mysterious leadership of Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu development team stresses that adoption and utility, not just conjecture, should be the driving forces for token burning. Kusama is adamant that token burns have no real impact unless there is true use case development. This idea served as the foundation for the team's development of the Shiba Name Service, which aims to improve the use of Shibarium, establish digital identities, and streamline wall addresses by eschewing the intricate alphanumeric sequences that are frequently encountered in the crypto world. To sum up, SBI VC trades a celebration that combines market incentives with an homage to the meme culture that has emerged as a significant player in the story of cryptocurrencies. Although SHIB's developer insights and spike in burn rates demonstrate the community's dedication to the token's durability and usefulness, now for the major narrative of today's video. Shiba Inu drama develops. Worries about the direction of the meme coin are raised by a significant money inflow. October was a frenzy of activity for Shiba Inu and other meme coins. The value of SHIB surged dramatically in the cryptocurrency market after Bitcoin hit a record high of $35,000. However, it then retreated below $34,000. Investors acted quickly to secure positions in anticipation of what seems to be an exciting bull run driven by this significant upward momentum. But the big issue hanging over the market as November approaches is whether these gains can be maintained. Market projections and analysis, investors are anticipated to keep a close eye on Bitcoin's price trajectory in the near future as well as the altcoin market. Rekt Capital, a renowned trader and analyst, predicts that a full-fledged Bitcoin bull market is on the horizon, with the bear market becoming a thing of the past. This optimism could give meme currencies like Shiba Inu more traction because rekindled interest in the cryptocurrency space as a whole tends to boost the market as a whole. Global investors have taken notice of Shiba Inu's incredible October adventure, as well as the larger meme coin movement. Even though there is inherent volatility in the volatile coin market, it is still an interesting place for people looking for high-risk, high-reward prospects. All eyes will be on the meme coin sector as November approaches, anxious to see if the gains can be maintained and whether the whale movements will have an impact on Shiba Inu's future. Because they trust the Shiba Inu creators and the true worth of Shib, many of our subscribers remark that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years and will instead hold millions of them. What number of ones do you guys have? Remember to include a list of your Shib holdings in the box below the comments. Let's give the Shib holder credit for having faith in and trusting the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to receive updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.